Why the heck are home repairs and services so insanely expensive? Honestly, it's wild out there. First off, you gotta remember that running a home service business isn't just about showing up and doing the job. There's stuff like licensing, insurance, workers' compensation, and all those boring but necessary fees that add up. Then, workers need to get paid fairly because, believe it or not, landscapers and cleaners aren't rolling in dough like lawyers or engineers just because their rates sound crazy. Plus, the cost of living has been shooting up everywhere, so prices have to move with that or no one can pay their bills. Another thing is, most folks nowadays don't know how to fix or maintain their own homes, so they gotta hire pros who charge for their time and skill. You also have to consider the overhead, like tools, equipment maintenance, transportation, and materials. And sometimes, if a job gets tricky or something breaks, like your window story, prices jump even more, because that's more work and risk on the contractor's side. It's annoying but kind of understandable when you put it all together. One of the biggest mistakes people make with home repair services is thinking they should pay bottom dollar prices like for regular stuff at a store. Low quotes often mean corners are cut or the work isn't guaranteed, so you end up paying twice. Another common issue is underestimating how complicated even simple jobs can get. Stuff like cleaning or landscaping can take way longer than you think, especially if the place is big or messy. The third problem is not asking enough questions or getting detailed estimates up front. If you don't know exactly what's included, you're setting yourself up for surprise bills. To fix this, always ask for a full breakdown of costs. Check reviews for trustworthy locals, and don't be shy about comparing quotes from different contractors to see what's fair. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty clutch for this kind of situation because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors without all the sketchy guesswork. Plus, it gives contractors a solid platform to get steady work from people who actually need their services.